G'day, I'm Kian from Street Machine, and today I'm here to tell you about Proflow's updated range of billet fuel rails. Proflow have been making their billet range of fuel rails for quite some time now, but recently they updated the whole range with a couple of sneaky improvements. What I have in front of me is a range of rails to suit Barra, RBs and LS engines. And what the wizards at Proflow have somehow done is slim down the overall design, but somehow increase the internal diameter. What that means is an easier install, fitment, and critically, more fuel flow. Most of the fuel rails are already tapped for a -8 AN ORB fitting, but if that's too big for your fuel system setup, they come with -8 and -6 adapters to suit most fuel systems. If your engine uses old school top feed injectors normally found in engines like the Nissan RB range, the kits also come with adapters to suit. All of Proflow's rails are made out of aluminium and come in this beautiful black anodised finish. That also means they're compatible with all types of fuel, including E85. So to check out the full range and order yours, simply head to proflow.com.au.